Adong Jamatia, a promising model from Tripura, is all set to showcase his talents on a global stage as he prepares to represent India at the prestigious Mr. International World Finals in the Philippines on November 10. This event promises to be a significant platform for Jamatia as he embodies not only the spirit of his home state but also the rich cultural heritage of India. Before embarking on this exciting journey, Jamatia took to Facebook to express his gratitude. I take this opportunity to thank His Highness Bubagra Prajot Manikya Debama Ji for blessing me ahead of my international competition. As the Mega Mr. Northeast 12th edition winner, Mega Entertainment presented me with the opportunity to represent India at Mr. International 2024 in Cebu, Philippines. I will do full justice to my title and the opportunity given to me. Thank you everyone. He also extended his appreciation to the Chief Minister of Tripura, Manik Shah, for his support. As he gears up for the competition, Jamatia expressed his enthusiasm for the opportunity to participate in such a renowned event. It's an honor to represent my country and my state. I am to highlight the talent and diversity of India through this competition, he added.